Students, let us continue with our exercise 2.1 third question. Okay, mark the numbers 4, minus 3, 6, minus 1 and minus 5 on the number line. What we are going to do, we are going to mark all the numbers on the number line. I already told you, you should start with 0, then mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in order, and then in the reverse order you should mark minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, now you are going to just mark the corresponding things. Okay, so minus 5, minus 3, minus 1, 4 and 6. That's it. Fourth question. On the number line which number is 4 units to the right of minus 7 and 5 units to the left of 3? We should just draw the number line. Then mark the numbers till minus 7 and till 3 because they have asked both the numbers. Okay. So from minus 7 you should go 4 units to the right they have told. So start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So if you complete, so what's your end, that is finishing point? You've got minus 3. Okay. Then again from 3 you should move 5 units left from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So it is minus 2. Okay, minus 2 is 5 units to the left of 3. Okay. Fifth question. Find the opposite of the following numbers. I told you if there is plus, you should put minus. If there is minus, you should put plus. And if it is 0, you should write 0. And if it is minus, you should put plus. If it is plus, you should put minus. That's all. That's your answer. So your sixth question is, if 15 km east of a place is denoted as plus 15 km, then what is the integer that represents 15 km to the west? That is, you know the directions, no? North, south, okay, this is n, okay, north, south, east and west. Okay, north, south, east and west. So from starting from here, if we move 15 km, it is denoted by plus 15. Then they are asking, if we travel 15 km towards west, what will the number be called? See, when this side it is moving, from left to right it is moving, it is denoted by plus. Then from right to left, if it is moving, then what will be its opposite? Okay, opposite of the east is west. So if 15 km east is plus 15 km, then the 15 km west is obviously minus 15 km. Okay. From the following number lines, identify the correct and the wrong representations with reason. Okay, we have to find whether these are right or wrong and we have to give the reason for that. So now let us see one by one. The first one you can see minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. But you can note here that in the positive numbers, there are only even numbers represented. What about the odd numbers? What will we do? So it is wrong. Okay, so it is not written, that is the next numbers are not written properly. So we can say the reason as it is not marked continuously. Okay, then second one. You can note here minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is perfectly marked. So second one is, this is the correct representation of integers. That's it. Third question. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. What is this here? We have not marked anything here. You know, one after the other, the numbers will be always coming. There will be not a gap in between them. Okay. So minus 1. So it is not there. A number is not represented there. So this can be the reason to say this is not a number line. The representation is wrong. Minus 2 is misplaced in the number line. Or we can say because from minus 1 till 7 it is in correct order. So we can say minus 2 is displaced from its place. Okay, displaced means it has been changed. Okay, the place has been changed. Fourth one, minus 12, minus 3, minus 8, minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. What is this? Always we are having even numbers, even negative and even positive. So it is wrong. This representation is correct. How correct? Numbers are marked at equal intervals in the correct order. I told you it is wrong. Then you can ask, why you told it is wrong? Because for your memory, that is what I have told till now, I told you there should be always 0, 1, 2, 3. I told you like that. That is also right, but there is another one thing to note down. That is, the distance between them should be even. This is 1 unit, 1 unit, okay? But here the distance is just 2 units, 2 units, 2 units, 2 units, 2 units. But you can ask, here also there can be 2 units. How can you say it is false? That is, it is not the number line. I can say that because after that 2 units you have 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit between numbers. So it is wrong. So this is right, because when you represent the numbers in between these, you will have the correct perfect number line. Okay, so it is right. Fifth one, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here you can note one thing. I told you in the negative numbers will go in reverse order, but this is going in a normal order, so it is wrong. Here negative integers are marked wrongly to left of 0. Okay, that's your answer. Eighth question. Write all the integers between the given numbers. 7 and 10, minus 5 and 4, minus 3 and 3, minus 5 and 0. So 7 and 10, what are the integers in between them? The numbers are what? 8 and 9. Between means you should not include this both. Leaving these two, what are the between numbers? So minus 5 and 4 means minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Minus 3 and 3 means minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Minus 5 and 0 means minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. That's it. Because you should not include 0 and minus 5. Put the appropriate signs as greater or smaller or in equal to in the box. So we should see, compare these two numbers and give the symbols accordingly. Minus always you should keep in mind. Negative numbers are always smaller than positive numbers. So negative, see, you should imagine a crocodile. ஒரு crocodile வாயை திறக்கிற மாதிரி நீங்கள் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஸோ ஒரு crocodileக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு சின்ன எலி, அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு பெரிய முயல், அதாவது ஒரு ரேட்டும் ஒரு ரேபிட்டும் இருந்ததுன்னா ஆப்வியஸ்லி அதோட பாடி சைஸ்க்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி ரேபிட் தான் பெரிய ஃபுட். ஓகே, ஸோ அந்த crocodile ஃபஸ்ட்டு எதை சாப்பிடும்? அதுக்கு இப்போ செம்ம பசி, நிறைய சாப்பிடணும் அப்படின்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு அது எதை சாப்பிடும்? ஆப்வியஸ்லி நிறைய உள்ள நம்பர், அதாவது நிறைய ஃப்ளஷ் உள்ள ரேபிட்டை தான் சாப்பிடும். ஸோ நீங்கள் அப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. பெரிய நம்பர் பக்கம் crocodile will open its mouth to eat it. Okay, so it will open its mouth and it will just grab the 8. Okay, then it will move to the minus 7. That doesn't matter. First அது எந்த பக்கம் திரும்புதுங்கிறது தான் matter. Then minus 8 and minus 7. I told you, in negative numbers, when you compare two negative numbers, which is smaller, that is greater. So here minus 7 is smaller, so it is greater. So this will eat, the crocodile will eat minus 7. The third one, minus 999 and minus 1000. I told you, while comparing two negative numbers, you should always select the least negative number as the biggest one. So it is minus 999. Okay, so the crocodile will open its mouth to grab minus 999. Okay, fourth one, minus 111 and minus 111, both are equal. 0 and minus 200, always the positive numbers as well as 0, which is always greater than the negative numbers. How much ever big the negative number can be, but it is always smaller than 0 and positive numbers. 10th question, arrange the following integers in ascending order. Okay, we have to arrange this in ascending order. Ascending order means small, big. Small to big will be called as ascending integers. That is ascending order. So here we can say the numbers can be, always you should keep in mind. Okay, so the biggest negative number will be coming first, then it's smaller than that, then smaller than that, smaller than that, smaller than that, smaller, like that it will go on, and last you should represent the positive numbers. Okay, then the second one, Like the same way you should arrange. You should see what is the biggest negative number given. Minus 40. Keep it here. Then next is minus 28. Next is minus 5. Next is minus 1. Next is 0. Next is I think 4. Next is I think 6, 8 and 12 and 22. Okay, like that only you should arrange. So minus 100, 10, minus 1000, 100, 0, minus 1 and 1000. Always you should take the biggest negative number first. So it is minus 1000, minus 100, minus 10, minus 1, 0, 1, 10, 100 and 1000. 11th one, arrange the following integers in descending order or descending order we say. Descending orders means big to small. You should arrange in such a way that the numbers are starting from a big number and it ends in the small number. Big numbers means comparating, if we compare positive and negative numbers, always the positive numbers will be big. So you should start from the positive numbers first and end with the negative numbers next. Okay, so the first question's answer is 27, 15, 14, 11, 0, minus 9, minus 14 and minus 17. Next question. Descending order is nothing but 400, 78, 65, minus 46, minus 99, minus 120, minus 600. Then next one. 7,777 and 555, 333, 111, minus 222, minus 444, minus 666, then minus 888. Students, now let us start exercise 2.2. First question is write two different real life situations that represent integers minus 3. We need to write two real life situations. Okay, so I am writing the first one as a sapling planted at the depth of 3 meters. We know that depth represents, in Tamil we say Aram, or how much ever inside the earth is digged and it is kept. See, this is the earth's surface. So we dig 3 meters for a plant to be planted. So this is an example of minus 3. Okay. Second example is Sheila lost rupees 3 on selling an apple. The loss can be calculated in minus, that is negative. So it is negative rupees 3 means minus 3. Mark the following numbers on the number line. All integers which are greater than minus 7 but less than 7. All integers which are greater than 7 but less than, greater than minus 7 and less than 7. I told you greater than 7 means the smaller numbers of negative. Just minus 6, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Like that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Till this only we should mark. We should not mark minus 7 and 7 because it is greater than minus 7 and less than 7. That means we don't include both of them. The opposite of 3. Opposite means opposite symbol. So if it is plus, if there is nothing means it is called plus. So if it is plus then it is opposite minus 3. 5 units left of minus 1. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the left of minus 1 is nothing but minus 6. Okay. Then third question. Construct a number line that shows the depth of 10 feet from the ground level and its opposite. And its opposite means 10 feet above the ground level. Okay. So, minus 10 till 10 you should draw the number line. This is the depth because depth means Aram which is inside the earth. So, it is minus and the opposite above the earth means it is called plus. You already know. So it is plus 10 above the ground level and depth of the depth from the ground level will be minus 10. Identify the integers and mark on the number line that are a distance of 8 units from minus 6. What they are saying? They are saying 8 units from minus 6. But they are not saying that it is left or right. So you should mark both, okay, left and right. Okay, so start from here. Okay, this you should start from here because it is minus 6. This is minus 5. So start from here itself. So start from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is, okay. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Fifth question. Answer the following questions from the number line given below. We are going to answer some of the questions given below from the number line. Which integers is greater than? Which integer is greater? G or K? Why? So f is called as a 0. They are asking g is greater or k is greater, and they are asking the question why. So what will write the answer? K is greater because k represents -1 and g represents -3 because it is to the right of g in the negative side of the number line. So what happened? K is greater than g. Find the integer that represents c. Okay, so this is -1, this is -2, this is -3, -4. So the answer will be -4. How many integers are there between g and h? Where is g and where is h, you should say. So g is here and h is here. So count the number of digits. That is the number of integers between means you should leave them to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all. The answer will be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 are 6 numbers between G and H. Then find the pairs of letters which are opposite of a number. Okay, that is, you should pair 1 and -1, you should pair -2 and 2, and you should pair -3 and 3. Like that you should pair everything. Okay, so K and you don't have any pair. B and you don't have any pair. So for G and H you have pairs. That is, G is -3. You can mark first of all. Okay, for sorry students, this is not a number. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so this is -5, -6 and -7. So just pair them up, 3 and -3. So we're just pairing G, C and H. Then what you will do? You will pair E and J from this. Okay, E and J. Say true or false. 6 units to the left of D is -6. You have to say it is true or false. 6 units from D. What is D? Left of D is -6. They are telling. Start from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you are getting 0. Okay. They are telling it is -6. So it is totally false. Next question. If G is 3 and C is -1, then what numbers are A and K on the number line? Okay. The answer will be C is -1. Okay. And A is -3. And 4 represents 7. Okay. So then, 7th question. Find the integers that are 4 units to the left of 0 and 2 units to the right of -3. 4 units to the left of 0 and 3 units to the left, 2 units to the right of -3. 2 units means 1, 2. 4 units from 0 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is -4 units to the left of 0 is -4 and 2 units to the right of -3 is -1. Like that you should write the answer. Okay.